My dear children, now come to the second activity, alphabetical order. The question will be asked, put the following words in an alphabetical order. Two set of words will be given and you people are going to write in alphabetical order. And you know very well, alphabetical order means in ABCD order. Clear? Now come to this. So here two sets are there. We have taken three examples. The first one is mother, almost, baby, shock. And second set is book, basket, bag and bush. The first set is very easy because starting letters are different. And you know, as per the ABCD order, which word will come first. Second one is also very easy. There, the starting letter, same letter will be given from the ABCD. Now here the letter B is there everywhere, starting with B, B, B. Then BB is there, then go to the second one. Then go to the third one. You people think this is very easy activity. Yes, it is very easy activity, but for easy activity, we are always in hurry. So don't be in hurry. While dealing with this activity, my dear children, do one thing. Our answer must be 100% clear, 100% correct. That's why put number here. So you will be very clear that which answer is correct. Now here, mother, almost, baby, shock. M, A, B, S. As per the ABCD order, which is the first word? Very simple. The first word is almost. So put here number 1. Second one is B, baby, second. Then M is first or S, M is there. So put third. And last but not least, that is shock, put 4. If you are putting the numbers like this, it would be very clear that your answer is correct. So first of all, put numbers and then write only answer. There, no need to write the numbers. So directly you will write almost, then baby, then mother and shock. Is that clear? So go to the next set. Book, basket, bag and bush. Starting letter BB is there and there your confusion is there. Don't get confused. If B is common, put the next letter. Here O is there, A is there, A is there and U is there. Here also, so O and bush. Definitely you people will take it afterwards. But again here A is there and here is also A is there. If like this the cases are there, then go to the next letter. Next letter is here S and here G. What is first as per the ABCD order? G is first or S? Correct. G is first. So this would be the first. This would be the second. Then book and bush. BB is the common. O is first or U. Obviously O is there. So put third here and fourth here. Putting the number is not mandatory, is not necessary. But if you are putting number, there are, it means your answer definitely it will be, it means definitely your answer would be clear. Now go to the next one. Second set, my dear children, second set is there from the board exam. As per the previous example only, two sets are there. First one is front, beggar, ancient, earth. Very easy because first letter is different. Which is the, so what would be the alphabetical order? Ancient, second beggar, third earth and fourth front. Very easy one. Go to the next one. Knocking, kidnapping, knitting and killed. Don't get afraid. These words are there having more letters. But no need to get afraid. Don't get hesitant. Some students are there, some students are getting hesitant. त्यांना थोडंसं भीती वाटल्यासारखं इथं होईल की खूप मोठे मोठे शब्द दिलेले आहेत. No need to get afraid. Here go to the first letter, everywhere KK is there. After K, what is there? N-I. 2 times N and 2 times I. So first one I is there or N is there? I is there. So kidnapping and killed. So KI, after I here D is there and here L is there. So what is the first? D is there. So kidnapping first, second one is killed, third one is KNOCK and here KNIT. So O is first or I is first? I is first. So here, my dear children, here knitting would be the third and fourth word would be knocking. And fourth word will be knocking. What would be the alphabetical order? Alphabetical order will be like this: kidnapping, then killed, then knitting and knocking. Is that clear? This example has been taken from the board exam. It was there for the board exam. Is that clear? Go to the last set. This is there for practice. Look at this word: change, success, promise and order. CSPO. Now it is very easy for you. What is the alphabetical order? Alphabetical order is change, then order, promise and success. Go to the last one: marriage, matter, manage and marks. Everywhere M is there. After M, which letters are there? Here A, here A, here A and here A. Everywhere A is there. Very good. Go to the followed by letter. Third one. Third one is here R, T, N and R. Here RR is given and here T and N. First word is manage. Second word, either that would be the marks or marriage. Here MARR and here MARK. So the first word is manage. Second one is marks. Third word is marriage. And fourth word is matter. My dear children, this question is very easy, but don't be in hurry. Whatever I told you, put the numbers, check all the things clearly, check all the letters clearly and then write the answer.